Hola chicos, bienvenidos a LightSpeed Spanish. Just a very quick video to tell you that our latest book, The Road to Mexico, is now available in Amazon and also in Kindle format. We're working on the audiobook now, which will be ready in a few weeks once we get it done. And that'll be available in Audible and also on many other platforms, Spotify as well. The Road to Mexico is the follow-up book from The Road to Morocco. This is about my experiences in Mexico, all the fun that I had, all the challenges that I had, and the frustrations about being plonked into a foreign country with a foreign language. That's been written in a bilingual format. So on this page, you have the English, and on this page, you have the Spanish. And you can work your way through comparing or just reading the Spanish or just reading the English and then the Spanish, entirely up to you. This is a great way to get your Spanish moving forward, and it's also a fun book as well. Pues, espero que os guste. The links are in the video information below. Hasta luego, adiós.